got a leg length difference here and up at the top. So we got rotation here in the pelvis, right there, and then back over to here. Okay, so we're going to adjust in here because this isn't moving. Right there, there, and there. Now we're going to do one more here. That's it. Okay, come on up off there. Now we'll go over here onto your side and we'll fix that low back up. So laying on your side facing me. Head right on there. That's it. Now here, just like that. And we're going to bend this to here and right like that. Now I got you. Like that. There. All right, now I'll go over to here. Okay, now here, and here, and right like this. Now wait, let's get that under your head so you're more comfortable. Now we're gonna fix this side of the low back. Now let that come over. I got you. Let that. There. Well, that's better. Oh, that was good. Now come on up. Put this up. Now lay back. I'm gonna get the gloves so we can do your jaw.